Look, it's so weird.
Did you get a video of that?
No. Oh. He does that a lot. He makes these really. Look at that. Look, it's Foxy doing that. We don't know what it is. That is really funny.
He wants some more, that's what he's saying.
He's so funny.
He's done that his whole life.
This guy's also very odd.
Great. I'm in love with him. Yeah. Yeah, I see your gorgeous face.
Hello. Priya, feed him.
No.
Come on. I want to get it on video. He's looking at the door.
I wish I could toss it up and make
No, Priya, they're not dogs.
But why not?
Here, I'll hold it. And you feed him.
I really
Priya,
don't
just
want
conquer your fear. Conquer your fear. See, he's telling you. There's Foxy again. You're so funny.
I'll pet them. I just won't.
He's looking the door.
Look away.
I think you're too far away from them. Oh.
Of course.
That's so funny.
Are you videotaping it?
Yeah.
Yeah, here's me.
You deserve another apple for that.